Okay, hello everyone. So we have seen in our previous video on how to start Golang with Fiber. Let us just go through quickly. So we have seen something like printing hello world with app.get and then sending string while we are getting the context as a callback function, and then we just use c.send string, context.send string. And then the next thing is we have identified how to get the path variables by adding this so-called colon and then followed by the name, and then you can able to get that value using c.params. And converting data types, string conversion, ITOA, ATOI, how to remove unused dependencies, how to utilize live reload with AR, and what is the way we can able to do status code. And now we are going to come up on the part 2, which we will see a bit one by one. Okay, let's start. So first, I think we have done path parameters. We will do something related with query string. Query string is something which we often used to see in Google or something. So if I'm going to say like Golang and then Brave search, and see the question mark and q equal to. So the query string name is q and then value is Golang. So I want to do something similar to that. So before going there, let me write a test case. Okay. So I will open our tests. Then I will write test multiply with query parameters. So I'm going to do the same thing, get http localhost multiply num equal to 1, num1 equal to 1, num2 equal to 3. So I'm just going to give two numbers, and then I'm going to expect that 2 into 3 6. Yeah, the response body should return 6. So I think something went wrong here, right? Yeah, something went wrong here, which is I need to close it. Okay, so I just need to have an endpoint which is called multiply, and then it should accept two query strings, which is num1 and num2, and then in turns it needs to give me 6. Okay, so before going in there, we will learn actually how to do query string with our documentation. Okay, so does that have query? Yeah, I think they have queries. Okay, so if I want to do something, I can able to get like c dot queries, which will give me a map kind of whatever the value, I can able to do it. So let's do something here. I will create apply okay. So I would like to get the queries. So I guess ctx dot, I think there is something called queries, which will I think which is actually I think it's map, right? So let me just print it down. Format dot println and I don't want to do anything right now. I will just send the status OK. We will we really don't know what is going to happen, so we will just send OK and then let the test fail, but we will also know what is actually happening there. Okay, yeah. And then before that, I guess I need to stop this. Okay, I need to open the terminal window and then I need to start the air because that's how we will see live reloading. Okay, so let me open the terminal window now, and then I will call air. I think air will ensure my application is up and running. Now I will run the test. I'll multiply. Response code is 200, and let me see the terminal. So it's printing like map of num1 colon 2 map of num2 3. So I'm getting the value as the num1 and num2 as a map. That's cool. Okay, so now let me go here back. So what are the other way we can able to do it? I just want the num1 has been taken, like, so I can get like m of num1, m of num2, which is again it is going to come as a string, right? Whatever value it is going to come as string. Is there a way I can take thing as integer? So it seems there is one more thing called query where I can take it, but it's still as string. Okay, so the return is going to be string. There is something called query int. Yeah, I think this is what I want. So query int, I think it will convert, I guess, right? Yeah, it seems it's going to convert. Okay, let's see. I'll just use this one and then I will send the value. One equal to ex int num1 and then default value 0. Okay, good. To value 0. Okay. Send string. Let me run as a result. Is equal to num1 star num2, and then okay, so integer to string, that's what I want to do, so I will call result. Yeah, I think our test case might be passing now, hopefully. I saved it. It's building, running, and then let me open our test and let's run it. 6, and then test has been passed. Great. So query string has been done. Okay, I think I need to do one more stuff here, which is which I feel all these operations, small operations, handle, add, params, hello world, are all here. Actually, I want to move somewhere else because I think it should not be everything should be in a single file, right? I think it needs to be in a different file. Then yeah, even if it is going to be a package main, then it's fine, but I want it to be in a different file. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me create one more file here. I'll call like ops, and then let me just get all the stuff here, cut it, and then put it here. I think import has been done. Okay, package is also main, so this package is also main. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. Okay, we will open the terminal. Is it building? Yeah, it's building, running. Let's run all the tests. Okay, all the tests has been passing, so things are okay and good. So I do like the way we need to do tests before development, and then the test needs to define how or what it was actually trying to do. So if it is a unit test, probably if I have so much of logic, if I have so much of stuff which is inside, and then it is going to be hard for me to emulate external system. We can go for I can go for unit test when it is going to be so simple as it is. So I will directly go to for end-to-end test because it's cheap now for me. So I think I'm not going to add any other additional thing, rather than I can just call this instead of so much of verbosity. I am still pro unit test. We will see that later, but I think as of now, initially for reading or initially for learning, I think this is a good to start. Let's see how it goes. So handling query string we have done. So I'll just note it down. handleMultiply here. It's here. Okay. So handleMultiply, get the context as it is, and then use query int method, and then multiply it, and then just send it as a send string. Things are all very good. Great. Okay. So handleMultiply. I think this is on. Should I need to move it? Yeah, I think I need to move it. Okay, great. Let's wait. Actually, is it running? I think it's there, right? And now let me run all the tests. All tests passed. Great. Now we have done all get stuff, and then most of the get stuff is there. Shall we go for post? I think we can go for post, right? Yeah. Before going for post, let's learn like how they are going to do it. Let's say post. Okay, post send body raw. Okay, body raw is byte, and then body is also byte. See that body is byte. Body parser. Oh, okay, great. So I can be able to use body parser. Okay, so I'm creating a new instance of person, whatever. So type person struct. Okay, so type person struct. What is the difference between type struct? Okay, let us search it here. Where is struct? Okay, so structs. Okay, so all the struct needs to be coming something like this. Oh, okay. So I need to specify the name, and then it was a type. I need to specify the name and then struct. Okay, fine. So let's do one thing. I will okay. I will create something, some type. I will call type user struct, and then I will call name string, and then I will have age. But why should I need to have capital? Actually, is it capital. I think I love small. Name, age. What else? I think instead of name I can just have email and password, right? Yeah, email, password. That's a good thing. Name, email, password, age, status. So I just want to have something like add user, right? We'll say something like add user. Add user, I will call something like handle add user. Okay, so first thing I need to do is I need to create an instance of user. Make sure this. So I need to get body parser. Okay, let us study more. I think I am confused actually. So I need to specify the JSON name, XML name, format name. I don't think I'm going to give anything with XML or form. I'm just going to give it JSON. Oh, okay. So I can give name here, and then JSON I can specify this one, and then field name should start with an uppercase letter. Great. So it will always expect me uppercase letter. Why is that? Is this here? I think it's lowercase, right? This one. I honestly don't know. Okay. Okay, let's try. If it's not working, we will always go back and do something. Okay, name, pass, and then okay, error not equal to null, return. Okay, so so body parser will take an instance of struct, which is the person, and then it might either return the value and put the information in P, or it might throw an error. Okay, so I think that's what it is, I guess. P is something like out parameter. So body parse is not going to give you two things, rather it's just going to give you error, while the value of the parsing is going to be updated in P automatically. Makes sense. And then you can able to get these two things. Okay, great. Let's see. Okay, so now error equal to body parse of user, and then if error not equal to null, I'm just going to say status fiber dot status error. Oh, okay, they have some more stuff now. Where is our basic ops? I think I have sent only status request now. Oh, okay, so they can send these two things here like that. Oh, okay, great. So it means also we can hand, oh, okay, status, and then I'm also sending the status error. Okay, great. And save along with error. Great. And now I think I have got this value. Why is this error? Missing an argument. User is now. Okay, I'm just going to use comment and print on user. Or how to send this user as it is. Is there any way? I think we can send a body as a byte. Okay, let's see how these guys are doing. Okay. C dot download. Okay, so it's getting download, C dot format, C dot save file. Okay, we have some struct, we have some data. Oh, JSON piece, superb. So they have JSON piece, great. API. Where I'm going? User, right. Missing an argument for a conversion user. Oh, okay. What is that? Let's go again. Okay, I think we need to go with whatever our guys said. So let me give email, password, okay, let's see whether is it fixing it. No, missing an argument conversion of user, introduce local variable. Okay, point to show hello world. Okay, okay, where is our fiber? We'll go back. I think in this case, new person. Oh, okay. See, I am from Java guy, so doing all the nonsense stuff. I'm taking everything whatever I have it from Java, and then I am doing it here. So new of user. Okay. So I don't think I need this one. Email, password, age, status. So let's see what is happening. I know that it's going to. It's not going to work, but let's see how what it's trying to do. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to pass these guys as JSON, right? So I will copy this, and then what is it called? Add user. Okay. Okay, application JSON. Okay, only thing is I need to have a different thing here. Email, password. I think we have age, so let it be like that. Password. Then I will have status. And then this one. I'm not going to add any assert now. We will see what is actually coming. It is there, so let's see. Okay, run it. Response code. This is what it has arrived. Oh, it's just callback. What's that? Let's see what went in our and of 0. Great. I think it couldn't able to find it, right? Yeah. Everything went back, so we will do one more stuff now. I will have email, I will have password, I will have age, status, and then JSON email, JSON password, JSON age, JSON status. I think I'm all good now. Okay, so we will run it. Wow, I got the answer. Great. Callback. Why it's coming as callback? Isn't that supposed to be just this one? Okay, we will find out. Okay, ctx.jsonp. I think I need to do some more stuff. So let's go and find out in our documentation. Oh, it will send callback, huh? Okay. I don't want to send callback. I want to send as it is. How to convert the struct to string? So if I think if I could able to convert that, I'm good, right? So it will automatically convert that and then it will send. Okay, let's try this. ctx dot send string user is there something like that? No. So let's find out. Golang okay. So I think I need to send JSON. Is that JSON? Ah, that is JSON. Okay, now we will open our tests, run this one. Okay, response. Yeah, perfect. So I got the response as it is. There is no JSON P. So what is JSON P anyway? Okay, so JSON P. You can find it here itself. Send JSON response with JSON disable. This method will just have JSON P callback support. By default, the callback is named simply callback. This method names. Okay, so data custom function. Where is custom function? Custom function. Okay, so it will have something like callback, and then it will do some callback. Is it something like that? Okay, but why do we need that? What is JSNP first of all? We will find it in Stack Overflow. Requesting data by loading the script element, which is an element load on it. JSNP enable shared of data by passing same origin policy, which disallows JavaScript code under media XML first. Without support for course, attempt to data across JavaScript error. The script file misinterpret raw JSON data as block. Throw syntax error, even if the data is being interpreted. Oh, okay. Super. So, if I am going to have HTML file, and then if I am going to call this one, by default, it is going to call like callback, and then it is going to do something. Wow. So it will, by default, it is going to give callback, or if I want, I can specify something like a custom function, as these guys have been saying, custom function. So this custom function will be executed in their JavaScript level. Wow, that's really great. Okay, let us note it down. How long I am speaking now? Already getting tired nowadays. just so reading JSON is we need to create a structure similar to this. I need to have capital letter, that is should be capital. So I need to have type struct. Okay, how create a new instance of user. So I just need to specify like user equal to new of user. I think I'm right. I think I'm right. Yeah, user equal to new of user. Except the call is something. Okay. To convert the received JSON as a struct. Okay, so I need to use context.body parser, which will accept instance, and then it will find if the body has some JSON in it, and then it will try to convert that. And then if there is an error, we need to throw back like bad request, all blah 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 stuff, or else we have got the value. And we have one more question now. How to send a struct in a sponsors JSON. So just context.json. And then what is JSON P? And when script is directly invoking the endpoint. I think we can get that from our this guy. http local host colon 3000 slash users double if the response is from JSON P, the script will invoke the callback method specified. I think I need to do some work here. I guess next time we can do something here. I guess today there are so much of things I think we have I have learned. So we will start with whatever it is. First one is we have started with handleMultiply. The idea is to get the query, how we can able to get this query as query integer and then send the value. The next thing is we try to see how to have a post request and then send the value back, and how to read, how to construct structs so that the JSON parsing will be automatically done on its own. How to create a new instance of that particular user, which is struct, a new keyword followed by that, and then how to convert the received JSON back as struct. Okay, so the JSON string which we have received, how we can do it? Use body parser, set the instance whatever user, which means it's a out parameter, right? Yeah, out parameter, right? Yeah. And how to send a struct and response as JSON? Use this one. Okay, so what is JSON P? Callback function. If you call something, you can get it back as some other stuff. Okay, I think today we learned something which is helpful. Especially, I think we have learned query string, followed by that handling post request, and then moving things to some other package, and then we are receiving it.